Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Mycelium Bitcoin Wallet app on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your Google Play Store. Soon after you open up your Google Play Store, go to the search box and type in Mycelium. Once you find this application in the search result, click on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will take a couple of minutes. And once it is downloaded, simply tap on the open button to launch Open Mycelium Bitcoin Wallet application on your Android device. So that's how easily you can download and install Mycelium Bitcoin Wallet on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.